is a great day to watch Kfern videos. Like and subscribe. Come on now, guys. Uber's here, baby! Ooh.
Yo, this is Nick Rosetta. Welcome to Pimp My Ride. We got some Polaris Ranger straight off the dealership.
Ooh. Pimp My Ride. We're going off-roading style. Come on, it's Kfern videos, baby. Let's go. Gas that beat. Hey, say what's up to the vlog. Yeah!
Yo, how do I open this? I stab it?
Why do I feel like this is gonna end bad? Hey, and if you don't know, this is the boy Rosie.
What's up?
Go follow him.
Welcome to the crib.
Hey, link in the description. Go follow his Instagram. There you go.
Yeah, baby. Alright, this is good pre-workout drink. Alright, yo, I'm gonna cut this fresh pineapple. Alright.
Steve, I don't think he's doing it right. I don't know if he's doing it right over here. That's tough. Of course, it wouldn't be a vlog unless we destroyed some stuff, so we're gonna go ahead and destroy this coconut.
Oh, this is how you open a coconut?
Gronk spike. Nick! Hey, let me show you how Kfern videos does it. Ah! Weak.
Look at that. It's a wild pineapple.
Wait. Stop. Dang, I should call it.
Dude, that actually tastes so good.
Really?
Yeah.
Too bad you're allergic to coconut.
Want some?
Sure. Subscribe.
That's your meal for the day. Oh, hey.
Call him Bear Grylls. We found this in the wild.
Found this in the woods, mate.
We're stranded out here for 2 weeks. The only way we're gonna survive.
Meal in 2 weeks.
We got it from this coconut tree right here.
Take a video. I'm here like, shit, man, a coconut tree.
Oh shoot! I think there's a coconut up there. Oh whoa! Nice catch, Nick.
This is probably regulation.
Chef Steve-O, what are we thinking? Better bartender, me or your own son, Nicholas? Are we pretty tied up right now?
I'm reserving until I taste.
Oh, very valid.
I didn't get to have my cameo.
Mom, you're already in the intro. You're already in the intro for the vlog. It's my vlog camera, my YouTube channel. Go subscribe. Ooh.
Also, he said always Zamboni.
Your mother has requested for the beverage. Your mother requested for the beverage to be blended more, and she said that she didn't get a little umbrella like I did. Man, this is the life, though. Come on. I'm gone from the kitchen for like 2 minutes, and we're already strapped up.
You wanna go shoot it?
Let's go.
Strap right there.
We gotta go get dinner.
Dice up. Oh, you're terrible.
Can't see anything with the
Oh! Yar, matey! Dice up. That's clean, bro. FIFA. Ow.
rock power.
Boy, that man would not do it good at Cal Poly. Come on now, bro. The dice is over here. Yeah. I hit arms last week. I don't want to like break the bow or anything.
Yeah.
That's so easy.
Yeah, I see. That's what I said too.
It's funny because I judge. We should get the volleyballs off the court.
Yeah, why don't you run out there and grab a volleyball real quick?
And I'll take care of the bow.
Oh.
Hey.
Yeah, go ahead and shoot all of them. I'm getting a Keystone.
FabeStar with no wife.
Ooh. Hey! Oh my! It's Kfern videos, and this is Robin Hood. Good chow!
FabeStar with no wife.
Oh, that was almost Keystone. One more for good luck. One more for good luck. Right in the bullseye, baby! That's how we do it over here. Well, Greg, you have to shoot the bow and arrow in order to hit the ball.
And they're like, yo, you gotta take lessons for that. I'm like, how hard can it be? It's just 2 steps. And they're like, it's not just 2 steps.
Line dancing, I went line dancing and I did not know what to do at all. They get mad at you. Oh, terrible.
No, this one's fine.
Yes.
Are you kidding me? I've already tested it. It's not bad.
All right, good.
I've already tested it.
We'll do it again.
From your husband. That's what they mind you.
Wow, look at